Hi everyone, it's Stephanie Gagos and I'm trying not to look that way. I'm actually supposed to be looking this way and it's very hard. But anyway, I just wanted to say hello and hop on camera. I wish I could be more like Waterfall Acrylics Karen, who gets on camera first and then does her pours, but I'm just very shy, so I did want you guys to see how I look, the face behind the voice and the work. And this is my messy studio. Yeah, this is where all the magic happens. And I just wanted to show you some of the pieces that sold this week in my sale. I'm so excited, and show you some of what is still available. This one was not in my sale, but it sold. This was a piece that a popsicle stick fell right in the paint, and when I lifted it, it created this feather, and I think it's gorgeous. I call it dragonfly because that looks like a dragonfly to me right here. So anyway, this one sold, yay. Anytime something sells, I get really excited because it's a big deal to sell your work. And let's see, this little crocodile over here, sold as well. Good him. I don't know if you've seen the video on this one, but it's great to see him come to life. This painting right here called A Place of Mystery sold as well. This is my favorite pour of all time. Oh my God, I love this pour. This one, oh my God, this is another one. This is another favorite of mine. This one's called Coral Reef. And this one also sold. This was a failed Melly D cloud pour. I'm hoping to like play around with using this enamel with the white to create some textures. Hopefully I'll catch that on video at some point. And this painting sold as well. It's a very cool pour with this amazing pearlescent green. And I'm gonna be adding resin to this one. Okay, and now just wanna show you some of what is available still. This one is called Turtle Sea. It looks like these turtles are here. I don't know, they look like turtles to me. So that's why I'm calling it that. And I'll put a hook on the back and it'll be ready to hang. This one is called Shifting Sands. It was named in one of the acrylic pouring groups. I was having such a hard time naming this one. And it has this really cool green and gold. Most of these I've done on camera, so if you want to see, I did the process for this one. This looks like a bird here. This one's available. This tree ring pour is available, love it. I love this blue, and I love that it looks like an actual tree with a knot in it. And I have the video for this one on the channel as well. This one is called Sea Life. I love it, yay! This is a nice big one. It's 11 by 14 with the thick edges. And the painting flows off the sides. This is also on video, so if you want to check that out. I love this. It almost looks like a diamond shape. It's very cool. I don't even know. I love how things just show up in these pours. And then two more. And then, sorry, I keep getting blown out. The other one is, this is a resin piece. And it has this gold flash to it. It's really beautiful. It reminds me of the sky and the sunrise. And then I'll paint the sides. I usually wait till I sell the piece and then I paint the sides and I spray paint the back. And this is the final piece I wanted to show you, which is this little tiny, well, not tiny, it's 8 by 8, and it's an ocean piece, and it has a few imperfections. I've put a lot into this piece. It has a lot of layers of resin at this point, so I'll never recoup what I put into it, but I am offering it at a reduced cost just because it has a few imperfections in the surface, which you can't see when you hang it up, but I can see it, so I'm a perfectionist, and I really would prefer not to sell it at full price because it has those imperfections. So I'm selling it at a reduced price. If you're interested, please let me know and I'll give you more information. It's very cool. It drips off the sides. I can also paint the sides if the buyer wants it that way. And then I clean up the back so it'll be nice and smooth in the back and ready to hang. Thank you so much for watching my channel and subscribing. Be sure to click thumbs up if you like my video and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you click on the bell so you'll be notified of new videos as they come up. And leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for following me and my work, and I really appreciate you guys being here.